Hi there, in this video we're going to learn the difference between kunnen and mogen. So there's a little story behind this video. Once a student asked me in a real classroom, the student had to go to the bathroom. So the student wanted to say, well, can I go to the bathroom? So the student said, kan ik naar de wc gaan? And well, I replied, ik weet het niet. I don't know. And this seems a little weird because, well, usually as a teacher, it's okay to go to the bathroom and you would simply say yes, ja in Dutch. However, this brings us to the difference between kunnen and mogen. When you're saying can in English, can I, blah, 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 then it means, or it can mean, two things. One is, am I able to? And the second one is, am I allowed to? For example, am I able to? Well, can you drive? Yes, I can drive. But it can also mean it if you're asking your parents if you can take the wheel. Am I allowed to drive? Right? So it means two things. Am I able to and am I allowed to? However, in Dutch, kunnen will only be the first. So kunnen means am I able to? And to ask the question, am I allowed to, we're going to use another verb, and that's the verb mogen. All right? So what I typically ask when I'm explaining this to my students is, are you allowed to smoke at work? Mag je op het werk roken? And then they're like, oh, no. And then they understand, okay, mogen, that's for to be allowed to, that it's a rule that you're not allowed to smoke, right? Or mag je op het werk alcohol drinken? Can you drink alcohol at work? Usually the answer is no. And I hope that when you're at work, it's not being allowed to drink because, well, it would be a little bit weird. But all right. So this is typically difficult for people with a Spanish-speaking background because in Spanish they would always or most of the time use poder. There's even less difference than in English because in English am I allowed to exist and it's more used than in Spanish. And in German it's even worse because in German mogen means to like. All right. So there's even more confusion there. And there is a verb for to be allowed to, and that's dürfen. And in Dutch, there's a verb dürfen, but that means something completely different to dare. So it takes a while to get used to the right word. All right, so let's see the conjugation. Ik kan, jij kan, hij kan, wij, jullie, zij kunnen. All right, and for jij en u, you can also use kunt. Jij kunt en u kunt. And for mogen, ik, jij, hij mag, wij, jullie, zij mogen. That's rather simple. So, to finish this video, I started with the student that asked, kan ik naar de wc gaan? And me answering, ik weet het niet. Well, the student was actually asking, am I able to go to the bathroom? And I was like, well, what are you saying? Are you psychologically ready to go to the bathroom or do you have problems going to the bathroom? So that's why I answered, ik weet het niet. And the student should have asked, mag ik naar de wc gaan? All right. So, hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this video channel for more videos and to ask your question about Dutch in one of the comments. So feel free to ask a question in the comments. All right, so see you soon.